welcome to a week in my life as a 23-year-old small business owner.
Oh, you're so cute. Groceries check. Came to the park for my son's.
Yeah, good. This guy decided to cuddle, so I thought I'd document it. Wake up now because I'm gonna go to the warehouse.
Late night warehouse vibes.
I'm tired and it's cold.
So I got summer moon. Let's go to work. Okay. Ready for an awesome day? Just keeps coming on my chair. Good morning.
Hello, Wendy. OTD.
Halfway.
Enjoying a little puppy cuddle.
I'm on the way to my Orangetheory part-time coaching job. I'm super excited. I'm teaching 2 classes today. Then I'm gonna grab some lunch and head over to the warehouse. Just got done coaching and now I'm at my warehouse. Looks like we got a delivery. Uline boxes, how exciting. I love getting new packaging supply. It's so good to be back at my warehouse after the Christmas holiday and New Year's. I love having my banner here. It feels so cool and official. And OOTD coach outfit. It's chilly here today, so I'm wearing my little long sleeve and my cute hokas. Let's get kicking with the rest of the day. Gotta bring those boxes in, so I'm opening my warehouse door. Now I'm gonna go live and package some orders and then go to the post office and get my UPS orders delivered. Just got off my live packaging orders. We got so many orders, so I'm taking these to the car. We just went to the post office, forgot to film because it was freezing and had to load up all those packages in the back. But now I'm getting some Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna drop the puppies at home and then go coach some classes.
All done with coaching, and Coraline is making me a fish and a yummy salad, and I'm watching a baking show. Life is good.
Look what Daddy made for the dogs. We got turkey, rice,
egg, and the kibble at the bottom.
Ooh, it's steaming. Are you guys excited? Yeah.
Down. Stay.
Good doggies.
Stay. Okay.
I just showered and did my hair. I'm actually doing my makeup today because I'm coaching 3 Orangetheory classes for the first time at a new location. So I always feel more confident when I have makeup on. So we're doing just that today. I'll take you along my day today. Should be a fun one. I just went to the chiropractor, which is on the other side of town where my favorite coach from Orangetheory works, so I got to see her for a class. I'm gonna take the puppies home, go to Costco, and then coach 2 classes tonight. Let's go!
Oh, did you want it? Oh, did you want it? Yeah. Ow.
I feel like I need a midday pick-me-up, so I'm getting a little...
So I just got Dutch Bros. I don't like their coffee, but I love their iced Rebels. This one's peach, strawberry, and coconut, and I get whipped cream on top, so it's kind of like Italian cream soda vibe.
Warehouse.
Gotta organize all of these slippers. Also, how cute is this? I want to put something in it.
I have a few orders. I need to package, so logging into my computer here and gonna print those labels. First order I have is for Jamie, and she got our Love Yourself sweatshirt. I actually have these in yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and black. I'll have a hoodie soon, but she got our 2XL pink.
2 Orangetheory classes and we're closing up. Woo. Let me show you inside the studio. It's really cute. It was my first day here. I had a blast. This is what it looks like. And we just cleaned up and mopped and all that jazz, and then I'm going home. All done, just locked up. It's rainy and cold out, and now I'm going home to see my puppies and my boyfriend. I was attempting to braid my hair and the dogs just stayed right here. Like, look. Hi. The warehouse for a little night shift, a little live action. See you there. Next, I'm going live for my business, so I'll go here. Next order is for so-and-so, and yeah. That's what I'll do for like the next hour.